Have a molly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Molly says Merry Christmas. Yes. Open it, Michael.
Christmas friends. Ah, yes, my favorite perhaps.
This seems to be a tradition in our family that I make him pajamas for Christmas.
Cozy pajamas. These were made last year. 2 years ago. Bike theme, coffee theme. I'm all about it. See, good enough.
Doesn't that make you want some coffee? Did you click directly to the box?
Natural man. I did.
And you clicked the box shut. It's an apron. I love it.
As you requested, because I got an easy one this year.
I love it. Now I'm ready to make some Christmas dinner. Using my new apron. Gonna wash some potatoes. So I went over with the hairdryer just to make sure that everything's dry. I got out of the bath at like 8 last night and I put the curlers in. So it's been like 15 hours at this point. It should be dry, but my hair is notoriously thick and therefore it does not dry. So here's hoping that the underneath part is dry and the curls come out nicely. Let me tell you how bobby pins work. You buy a packet that's got like 100 of them, and then within the first day, 95 disappear. Then you have 5 bobby pins, and you use those 5 bobby pins for the next 5 years. Or more. The big reveal. Yes, Michael, it is time to get dressed. Yes, I made the fun. I'm coming out, so you better get this party started.